One of the reasons why a lot of light workers and spiritualists are moving right now, whether it be moving jobs, moving, households or whatever, relationships, one of the reasons is because either if it's a house, the landlord or the person over the property has very negative energy, and you being in their home, especially, if you're a renter or whatnot, you being in their home, their negative energy is affecting your household. And it's like, no matter how much you cleanse that space, you have to still, it's like something that you have to do consistently because their energy is so negative and it's affecting everything that's attached to them, right? That's even if this is a job, if the bosses are negative, the owners of the company are negative, or in the relationship, if the other person is just too negative, or they just have too much of this dark energy that is just conflicting with your light, you gotta move. And I feel like that's not talked about enough in the collective. We always hear the messages, oh, you're about to move. And some of us are moving because we're indirectly being affected by too many negative energies. And it's just taking too much of our positive energy to keep cleansing that out, keep cleansing that space. So that was a message that just came to me as I was driving, and Spirit wanted me to share with the collective that it's okay that you're having to move, and it's okay that things are maybe a little out of whack right now. It's okay that you have to end this relationship or move this job, quit this job or whatnot. There is something better for you. Once you release, you're going to feel so much relief that you're going to know exactly why you had to move. So I hope this message was helpful for someone. I send you all so much love and light, and drink your water. Namaste.